This is a very interesting and actually very simple problem for white. White's objective is to make a living shape, and more specifically, white's objective is to kill these 4 black stones in a way that does not result in a dead shape. And that move actually should be pretty obvious. It should be right here, right? Because if black occupies number 2, this will be a bulky 5 shape, and there's no way white can find another real eye. If white plays here, black can still play here, and what happens is that white must address this cutting point, and black will just reduce white's eye space. So this will not be a seki. Again, this will be a bulky 5 shape, a dead shape for white. Similarly, if white plays from this side, black can still just play right here. So this is the key point. And if white occupies here, white will be able to make a living shape, right? Because this will be a bent 4 shape, a living shape. And of course, if black captures, this will be a 5 space eye that is also a living shape. And of course, you can try this as well. What happens now is that white will just try to swallow number 2 this way. Now, of course, white needs to be careful. This is a little tricky. If you capture here, this is wrong, right? Because now white will have to capture here, and once again, black gets to occupy this point, and white cannot occupy here, right? So after number 4, white needs to Atari from behind. If black captures at number 6, white can capture this way, and this will still be a bent 4 shape, a living shape. If black captures now, and white can still succeed with number 7. So overall, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. As long as you know the bulky 5 shape and how to prevent it, this is obviously the key point and the only viable move that white has. Hope you enjoyed this little challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.